Ever wondered why moss gardens have been gaining popularity recently? There's something quite magical about these miniature ecosystems. They bring a slice of the forest right into your home, making them a favorite among nature enthusiasts and urban dwellers alike. These compact gardens are not only easy to maintain, they also offer a calming, serene beauty that's hard to resist. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or a green thumb in the making, you'll find moss gardens intriguing. Indeed, moss gardens are more than just a patch of green, they are a fascinating microcosm of nature. But what makes moss so special? Moss, this tiny green carpet, is a marvel of nature. It's an expert at surviving in various conditions. From dense forests to concrete cracks, it finds a way to thrive. More than just a simple plant, moss acts like a miniature ecosystem, providing shelter and sustenance to countless microorganisms. It also helps to prevent soil erosion and even contributes to air purification. So, moss is not just a plant, it's a resilient survivor that plays a crucial role in our environment. Fancy creating your own moss garden? It's simpler than you might think. Start by selecting a shallow container and a suitable moss species. Fill the container with a thin layer of soil and place the moss on top. Mist it gently with water and keep it in a location with indirect sunlight. Remember, moss thrives in moist conditions and cool temperatures. Regularly misting your moss garden will keep it happy and healthy. With a little effort and care, you can grow your own indoor forest. What's in it for you, you ask? Well, moss gardening offers a unique therapeutic experience. It's the joy of cultivating a piece of nature, the satisfaction found in nurturing life. Moss gardening is not just a hobby, it's a path to tranquility and connection with nature. Intrigued by the world of moss gardens? Why not delve deeper? Maybe even start your own miniature ecosystem. It's a journey of discovery waiting to unfold. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy gardening!